Hi, my name is Sean Claes, and I am the yearbook advisor at Akins Early College High School. We have recently changed photo companies, and we are now having our photos taken with a company by the name of CADY, C-A-D-Y. And for senior portraits, that means a little bit of a different ordering method. And the really good news is there is no longer a sitting fee for senior portraits. So every senior is able to take their yearbook photo, cap and gown, tuxedo or shrug picture for absolutely no charge whatsoever. If you decide to purchase those, there will be the CADY does have a charge, but everybody has an equal opportunity, no cost to take their photo for the yearbook. And CADY is coming to Akins High School 5 or 6 different times during the year. Also, one of the other benefits with being with CADY is if you would like to do the full studio shoot, they have a phenomenal studio up in Cedar Park. And you can go to that studio and take pictures. But I've been fielding a lot of questions from parents and people that are trying to help seniors schedule their photo about how to schedule a senior portrait if they just want to take the yearbook picture. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to get through the ordering process, because it is a little bit difficult to understand. It's a lot of screens to get through, and they are a company that's trying to make money, so they are going to try to add on things, and you might want to do some touch-ups, you might want to do different packages, but if you don't, I'm going to take you through that screen to do that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause the recording for a second and load up the website and take you through screen by screen. So just a second. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And we'll get started here. So here we go. This is just regular on Chrome. I'm using Google, and I'm going to type in cady.com/book24. That's cady.com book24. All right. I was previously on here, so it's going to say made me back. So I'm going to start over. So this is the screen you're going to see. When you see this, it's going to say here, this is how you go to book your session. It's going to have all these great things. Keep on scrolling down, and then you'll see this tab at the bottom that says schedule now. Hit that schedule now. It'll ask you to find the school. You say Akins. Helps if you spell it correctly. Akins High School. Okay, let's go. All right. You're going to have these 3 different things that you need to do. So the first thing that you have is your session includes your yearbook photo, your cap and gown photo. That's all you really want. The studio scenes, it's going to ask you to pick all these things. Don't worry about it. Pick any 2 just to get to the next screen. Go to continue to next screen. It's going to ask you if you want to do the Elite Portrait Series. Again, all these things are fantastic, and I highly recommend them. But we're just trying to get a yearbook picture. So down here at the bottom, you're going to see it says yearbook only. Select that and continue. Then it'll say, do you want to have more stuff? No, I don't. Finalize your screen. No. At the bottom, continue to options. It'll say, do you want it touched up? No, I don't. Continue. And then it's going to get you to schedule your yearbook only photo session. It defaults to the thing where it says studio. If you want to go to the studio to do your photo session, choose that. If not, click school, and the next session that we have, this is recorded in September of 2023. So the next sessions that we have are the 19th and 20th of October. They're going to be coming to the school, and they're going to be coming to it's during the school day, and it'll be in the courtroom, which is 252. It's at 10701 South First Street, Akins High School. All right, I'm in the right place. Note the last day to have your senior photograph for their senior portrait period is January 31st. But we're looking at October 19th or 20th. So this is where we want to go. We hit the 19th. We say, all right, what times are available? All right, all of these times are currently available. So I'm going to say I want to be there at 1 p.m. All right. Continue to checkout. Now it's going to say, do you want to prepay? Do you want to buy digitals? Click buy later. And at this point, it's going to ask you if you want more to spend more money, but you see right here, the total is 0. And at this point, you're going to create your account, go through and finalize it, and you will be booked for your senior portraits. So I hope that that clears things up. It is a little bit of a couple of hoops that you have to jump through, but it is free if all you're taking is your senior photo, and you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever booking it. You do have to book it through the site. That is CADY, CADY.com / book 24, and is book 24 because it's 2024. If you're watching this after the 2024 school year, it's going to be a different link. But CADY Studios is where we're printing. That is where you're going to go. And I hope that this helps you. And there's going to be we'll go ahead and put a link in the wherever I upload this video, and we'll have a note of the site. All right. Thank you for your time, and you can email me at sean.claes@austinisd.org if you have any questions. Thank you.